this is the bug shield, hood shield that I got, and this is how I did it. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Okay, so that's how I did it. Guys, I'm going to show you how I install the bug shield again. I took it off so I can clean it really good, but I'm going to reinstall it. First thing you got to do to install that bug shield, now mine's got this style, okay, so it's not tape, it's not a stick-on. You're going to use these existing bolts. So you're going to take off every single one of these bolts, and then you're going to slide in that and just tighten it. It's actually that simple. I actually like to do it underneath on the bottom inside of the plastic. That's where I prefer it. I mean, I guess you can do it on the outside, but that's not my style. So your choice, your call. Either way, that's where it goes. So here's the bug shield. What you do is you're going to slide it into the hole. Okay, so you got 2 holes here. I'm going to go underneath the rubber gasket. That's where I'm going to put it. You can put it on the outside, but again, it's kind of your choice. But I like to put mine on the inside like that. Okay, and then you're just going to put the screws back in place. Again, I'm going to put this on the inside gasket just like that, and it slides in. Same with this one right here. It's going to go on the inside gasket as well. I kind of broke off this piece, but it'll be fine. So anyways, it's kind of hard to see, but that's kind of how it looks. It's going to go tuck underneath. So I'm going to tuck it underneath there, just like that. All right, guys. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. And I think it makes a big difference in how it looks. It looks just so much sharper once it's on. So that's it.